G'day everyone, welcome to Mate on Aussie. Today I'm going to do a chicken liver pate. I've already got the end result here. It's in 7 ramekins, enough here to do 2 ramekins. It's just got the butter on top to seal it so it doesn't dry out, keeps the oxygen out of it. So here we go, we'll go by the step-by-step process. Well, I'm back everyone. Well, that was a nice simple process for the chicken liver pate. So you've got the livers there, onions, thyme, garlic, bacon, brandy, and of course butter to set your pate. Now I find it's great for canopies, on biscuits, sourdough bread toasted. It's great for lunch with cold meats, cheeses, olives, sun-dried tomatoes, etc. So let's go for the bit of the old taste test on the biscuit. Delicious. I love the old chicken livers. They're great. There's just enough butter in there to set it, so which is good. You just give the hints of the garlic, the brandy, and the thyme. So you put the butter on top, so that seals it to keep the oxygen off, stop it from drying out. And the fresh thyme that I put in the butter on the top will slowly infuse itself through everything. So it's fantastic, plenty of iron, proteins and everything in this dish. It's an overlooked part of the chicken, the old chicken livers. So you go out there, give it a try and tell us what you think. Write the comments below in the description. Thank you very much.